In the future I'm looking to be either a sports presenter or a sports writer.
I'm hoping to work in the television industry as a political reporter.
I am looking to work as a fashion journalist in a big magazine somewhere.
Well, hopefully freelance, bit of writing.
My dream job would be being a sports commentator.
I chose Glyndŵr University because of the reputation for this broadcast journalism course.
A friend of mine told me about it, about the course, and straight away went in for the visit day, and it blew my mind.
Because of its friendly reputation, and there's a high proportion of mature students, so I thought I'd feel at home.
One person was actually on the course that I'm doing now in year 2, and she said she was really enjoying it. She said the experience was good, the lecturers were good.
The reputation of the creative industries department, and also I'm local and I've got a wife, 2 children, so it's handy in that respect.
Glyndŵr has opened so many doors for me just in the first 12 months. For example, I've been on a work placement with the BBC Wales, I've been to Wembley with Wrexham Football Club working for their media team, and I've met reporters from Sky Sports and BBC News. So it's been a fantastic opportunity which I'm sure will help me in the future.
I was impressed by how much the lecturers actually talk to you and look after you, because if they see that you're struggling, they'll be like, right, okay, what can we do about this? How can we solve this? And it's just really reassuring.
Glyndŵr's helped me it's given me the confidence to write, to find a style and work within a sort of more disciplined framework. And then since I've come here, I've had the articles published. I've actually been paid for, which is quite nice.
It's got to be the practical things. I mean, you've got to learn what it's like completely out of radio studio. No, even if you're not the presenter, if you're the producer, get used to the equipment. With the TV studio here at Glyndŵr University, there's not many facilities that have that, and that is great experience as well if you want to get into broadcasting.
I really enjoy the social side of the course. I've met some great friends here that we all have something in common. We all enjoy the sport. So coming in, working with my friends and stuff in the class whilst doing our work is the great part of it.